Excuse me. Excuse me. This sounds like it's gonna change my life. Like, I am just certain my life will be forever changed. And what's so crazy is when I woke up this morning, I didn't know that God would bless me with these type of mercies. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, your favorite place for hauls, home decor, and all things homemaking. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, we appreciate your support. This week's video is yet another Trader Joe's haul, but I wanted to share with you 10 items I got from Trader Joe's this week that I've never tried before. Stay tuned. Okay, first up on our list, I am so excited about this. Now, one of my favorite things to get when I go out to eat are mussels, and I usually love them in a nice red tomato sauce. I love when it's a little bit spicy, and then you can dip that extra, you can use that extra sauce and dip it in some nice warm bread that's like a little toasty on the outside and nice and soft on the inside. Well, I was innocently walking into Trader Joe's in the frozen aisle section, and look at what I found. Listen guys, I am too excited about this. I got not one pack, but 2 packs. And I've never cooked mussels before, but let me tell you something. Don't judge or walk past that frozen aisle section at Trader Joe's. I know when people think frozen items, they kind of shy away, like, oh no, I want to make it from scratch, or you want to go above and beyond. But if you're really not a cook, but you want some good food and you're tired of your typical fast food, run over to Trader Joe's and get something from their frozen aisle. It is super easy to cook. I have never been disappointed with any of their frozen items. I've tried their pizzas. I've tried their fried rice. I've tried a lot of their Asian, like their chickens, their Kung Pao chicken. I've tried the sesame chicken. All of them are absolutely phenomenal. So I have no doubt that I'm gonna love these mussels. Make sure, shameless plug, that you follow us on IG, because you'll be able to see on IG stories. I love to share what I'm cooking for dinner, or if I'm making something special for breakfast and lunch on the weekends. I definitely like to share that with you. So trust and believe I'll be doing this in a nice tomato sauce. Which brings me to my next one. This is something that I did share in my last haul, but I have not used it yet, and I'm excited to try it because this is a chunky tomato and pepper pasta sauce. So now that I have these mussels, I know that this is gonna pair with this so well. I might even add a little heavy cream, make it a little bit of a pink sauce. I'm not too sure yet, but either way, I know this is gonna be a good time. I cannot wait. And it's so funny because when I bought this pasta sauce, I was like, I'm not even sure how I'm gonna use this, but I'm here for it because my daughter's really not a fan of like too much spice. But I was thinking, you know, sometimes when they say spicy, I mean, honestly, that's relative. It may not be that spicy, and she can take a little heat. But now that I have found these mussels, oh, I know exactly what I'm going to do with it, and it's going to be so good. And I don't really need, I mean, bread is nice to have with it to kind of dip and use that extra sauce to sop it up. But I'm good with just the mussels like that, and I will eat up that pasta sauce. Oh my God, I cannot wait. It's gonna be so good. So definitely guys, you know I'm always giving you tips. Do not shy away from the frozen aisle, because they even have like frozen pasta dishes. Like I haven't tried them, but I'm sure they're delicious. I've also had their shrimp gyoza is, oh my gosh, their shumai. I mean, honestly, so many good things there. Speaking of the frozen aisle, the next thing that I got that I have not tried before and I'm really excited about trying is the matcha ice cream. So I love matcha green tea. I know some people don't like it. I love to get it, especially at Starbucks. I love to get the matcha green tea latte. However, I don't like it iced. I do like it warm. It is so delicious to me. So I feel like this is giving me all the vibes that I need, but in ice cream. So I'm really excited to try this one out. The next item that I got that I've never seen before is Italian style Sofrito. Hello? What is this? What is this? What is this? And I can't wait to try it. Listen, it has crispy onions, sun-dried tomatoes, sea salt, garlic, red peppers, parsley, rosemary, and sage. Long story short, they threw everything but the couch in here, and I'm here for it. I cannot wait to try it because I just know it's gonna be so good. Listen, Trader Joe's knows how to deliver, child, all the time. Let's see what else we got. Okay, the next item that I got, oh my God, I'm so excited about it. And truth be told, I wanted to try it since I got home, but I was trying to have some sort of restraint because I did not want to come on here because this size is small already. This is baked lemon ricotta cheese. I didn't want to come on with a piece this big and tell you guys I've never tried it before. That's enough. It took every form of restraint, and please believe as soon as I press stop on this video, this is the first thing that I'm going to try. It is baked lemon ricotta cheese. It says a delightful sweet and tart combination of ricotta and lemon. Excuse me. Excuse me. This sounds like it's gonna change my life. Like, I am just certain my life will be forever changed. And what's so crazy is when I woke up this morning, I didn't know that God would bless me with these type of mercies. I mean, hello? Baked lemon ricotta cheese. I don't even know what I just know this texture is gonna be so nice and creamy. And with a little bit of, oh, my mouth is watering, with a little bit of a tartness to it. And I feel like this would also go good on a board. You know, I've been talking about boards a lot. I feel like this would go great on a board because this is a type of cheese people haven't seen before, and this will definitely be a conversation starter. I cannot wait to dive into this, and I'm gonna eat it just like that by itself, but I'm sure it would go nice with like a nice crunchy type of cracker, like, or maybe like a tostini. Oh, my mouth is watering. I can't. Or maybe just eat it by yourself. Maybe just take a spoon and dig right in, because that's exactly what Mama's gonna do when she gets off this video here. I can't wait. The next thing I haven't tried before is the chicken tikka samosas. Now, I've obviously had samosas before several times. I love them, but I've never tried them from Trader Joe's. I'm sure they're not going to disappoint. This is also in the frozen aisle. I also picked up on the same trip, which I've tried before, so I did not include in this haul, but I have the masala sauce. They have the simmer masala sauce that you can buy, and let me tell you something, the best thing ever. I should have included it on this haul. Maybe I'll do a picture of it right here, but you have got to get that sauce. All you do is add a little heavy cream to it, season it up just a pinch, add some chicken thighs to it, change your life. And then get some, just have some steamed rice, put that over a bed of rice. Oh my God. Honestly, I know you think I'm being dramatic. Honestly, I cannot tell you more. It is amazing. So delicious. So I'll be sure to put that picture of that up here. Okay, what else did we get? Ooh. So usually I get the little ginger shots, and I love to add that to my water with a little bit of lemon juice. I even love, let me tell you what my favorite drink of choice is. We're talking libations. My favorite drink of choice lately is Jack Daniel's honey with one of their ginger shots and a little bit of lemonade. Listen to me. So good. So I decided though, let me try these, because these are actually lemon ginger cayenne with apple cider vinegar. So I got 2 of them. Usually I get the little shots though, and they're the same price as this one. So it's like, let me try this, let's see how it is. It does have apple cider vinegar as well, which is really good when it comes to your digestive system. In the mornings, I love to have 2 cups of apple cider vinegar with some really hot water. You can make your own tea, and then you add a little bit of honey to it. It actually is very good. I know you think that it wouldn't be delicious, but it actually gives you like apple cider, apple cider vibes. It's very, very good. So I'm excited to try this in my water and see how that goes. Next thing we have is this organic cold brew hibiscus lemonade beverage. Now, you know I'm thinking about spiking this. Listen, don't judge me. But I just feel like this is gonna be so good, because it's probably gonna be lightly sweetened, which is exactly what I'm looking for, especially if I decide to pair it with like Crown Apple or Jack Daniel's honey, because those are already fairly sweet. So you can always just, honestly, sometimes you can just add a little seltzer water to it, a little bit of grenadine, and you'll be good to go. So this, if it's like lightly sweet, would be perfect to pair with the Jack Daniel's honey. Or, you can also be a good girl and just drink it straight. That's fine as well. I'm just trying to give you some ways to improve your life. Take it or leave it. I know you guys are gonna be like, this girl is crazy. Listen, this is my personality, all right? I'm literally like this all the time. I love to shop. I can talk about these things all day. The next thing is the cream of portobello mushroom. I'm excited to try this one. You know, in the winters, I love to just do like a broth and just add maybe like a little bit, like for a quick lunch. Have a little broth, add a little bit of maybe chopped up carrots, some parsley, season it up a little bit, and literally just drink it out of a cup, like almost like a mug. I love to do that. I absolutely think it's delicious. So I was thinking maybe I could try that. And this is like a nice little lunch for me, right? Or you can add it, I mean, to your typical things that you add for cream of mushroom, whatever dishes that you choose to use. So that's also an option as well. But portobello mushroom is more like the steak of mushrooms. So it has more of a meaty and stronger taste. So I'm excited to try that one out. Okay, the last item is, of course, I mean, is this whole video gonna be about liquor? I promise you guys, it's the holiday season. Enjoy a little bit, right? This one is Moscato and Peach Semi-Sweet. All right, I never tried this one before. I've tried quite a few liquor options, or wine options rather, from Trader Joe's. I've tried the Bellinis, which I absolutely love. I love the grapefruit one. I love the peach one. There's another one, is it raspberry? I like all of them. All the Bellinis are to die for. I love the Prosecco. The Prosecco comes in that large holiday bottle. I absolutely love that one as well. It's not as sweet, and although I am a sweet girl, I actually enjoy it. And you can always add a little bit of honey to it too in that Prosecco. I know, listen, it might be against the bougie rules, and that's fine, but I like sweet wine, so sometimes I just add a little something to make it sweeter. But I'm excited to try this one. I haven't tried it before. Comment below if you've tried any of these items before. I'm really excited to try it. What I usually do anytime I get something new, as I mentioned before, is I will always head over to my Instagram page, and in stories, I will always share with you, oh my God, I tried this, it was so good, I'm gonna go back, or it was only okay, I probably won't. So make sure you head over to Instagram, follow us also for the love of Peyton. In addition, follow us on our new Facebook page, also for the love of Peyton. We appreciate you for staying with us until the end. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday. May God bless you. Happy holidays. And again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.